Thanks, Greg. Good morning, everyone. I'm Robert and my colleagues Rick and Sam, and we're from Bendigo and Adelaide Bank in Australia. We've developed something quite unique for a bank. It's perfectly aligned to the way that we think about business and community, and we hope it's of interest to you. Are you ready for your customers to be able to make secure payments? Are you ready for a unique loyalty program that you could introduce to your customers? And are you ready for your customers to be able to generate revenue to put back into local charities and community projects? Well, we've developed Ready, and it achieves all of that. At first glance, Ready is a payments app, but hopefully, as you'll see, it's much more than that. Say hi to Rick. He's our customer today, which is handy because he loves to shop. Rick is an avid Ready user. He's connected his bank account to the app, and he just tops up his balance into his Ready wallet balance whenever he needs. Rick's got a hankering today to buy something, and using the smart geolocation capability, he can identify businesses in this area that are Ready enabled. And Sam is one of them. Say hi to Sam. Sam is not a bad barista when he's not being a banker. He's about to sell a coffee to Rick. So Sam has Ready capability in his coffee shop, and he's got a tablet that's provided by our partner Samsung. Sam's made a great coffee that Rick's prepared to pay for. He enters the transaction amount into his Ready terminal, and then the terminal displays a unique QR code. And Rick, our coffee customer, scans the QR code with Ready. And this scan is now creating a connection between the shopper and the merchant. And you can see now that Rick's device has connected to Ready. It's retrieving the information on the offer, the coffee, and that's now displayed, and Rick can now choose to accept or decline that offer. Now, at no stage in what you've just witnessed with that transaction was any personal or financial information transferred between the merchant and the customer, apart from the money itself transferring from Rick's bank account to Sam's coffee shop business account. You'll also notice that Rick's Ready dollar balance has also been updated. So when his spending frenzy's gone too far and his Ready balance has gone down, Ready will automatically draw funds from his nominated bank accounts or from his Visa or MasterCards. For every purchase that Rick makes, like the coffee, the Ready shopper earns real-time rewards. We call them creds. Creds are a virtual and a real currency. We can see here from his recent shopping activity that Rick's got a creds balance of $4.37. Now, he could actually use those creds to buy some other goods and services from local traders. So he might be able to buy another coffee from Sam, which might help him with his jet lag he's got, which is a great way to encourage local spending. Every time I spend locally, I earn creds, and then I can actually spend those back at my favourite local Ready businesses. I don't have to be part of a lousy reward program that's unrelated to me or to my life. If Rick's feeling more generous though, he could actually contribute those funds to a local charity or a community project. And projects and charities are on the Ready platform and displayed within the app. So Ready shoppers can browse the causes and they can actually make a donation in the app. So today, Rick is going to donate to the Reach Out for Ryan campaign to support muscular dystrophy. You can see that Ready here is really allowing a form of crowdfunding for common interest, for things that are going to need some support. And you can also see that a number of people have already contributed. So here we see that Rick has the choice to donate from his creds or from his Ready wallet balance, or a combination of both. So today he's going to donate from both. And once he's completed that transaction, he will be emailed a tax receipt which he can keep for the taxman. Gifting to local causes and charities, though, can be even easier than that. We can give charity or community project groups their own unique QR code, and that can be used on TV, websites, any form of media. So in the case of the Reach Out for Ryan campaign, our local coffee maker Sam is displaying posters in his cafe. The Ready shopper simply scans the QR code on the poster, and you can see again that Ready allows Rick to make that donation. So imagine if you had Ready to enable your customers in your communities to support certain areas of interest. It might be in a local city or suburban strip, or it might be a virtual group of people who have something in common. So ladies and gentlemen, we haven't shown you everything about Ready. We've just shown you a couple of the features, but be assured there's a lot more. As a shopper, Ready will sit nicely on your iPhone, your Android, or even your watch. As a business trader, it might be on a tablet, or it might be integrated into your business tills. Ready is not a payments ecosystem, it's a community ecosystem. Easy and secure payments, crowdfunding, donation platform. Imagine if you could provide those outcomes to the markets you operate in. Good for your customers, good for your business, great for community. A unique point of difference. At Bendigo and Adelaide Bank, that's how we think about doing business. We're a top 60 listed company in Australia with a $6 billion market cap. We're known for our strong customer service rankings in Australia, also being rated as Australia's most trusted bank. We're particularly well known in Australia for our community bank model, which we introduced when bank branch closures were rife there. So communities can actually establish banking services in their local community, generate revenue that they can put back into local community. We have 307 community banks today that have put over 130 million Australian dollars back into local community projects. So Ready fits perfectly into the way that we do business. Perhaps it does to you as well. We'd love to meet you at the information stall today. And if you come and see us, we can also tell you about our exciting new partnership with IBM and their Blue Mix platform, which will allow Ready transactions to happen on e-commerce sites. So the Ready shopper doesn't physically need to be present for the transaction. We can also tell you about our Bluetooth beacon trial, where Ready shoppers can get contextual or location-based offers. So ladies and gentlemen, we're ready. Are you? Thank you.